Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something's fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. But we can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid and you know it's nothing wrong.
Let me show you how to check the pH of your cream, because for you to make cream from scratch like this, you need to check the pH. I know this might be a little bit complicated for people that are not skincare formulator or people that are new to this, but you just have to learn as long as you want to make your products yourself. This is a body cream that we've just made, that I've just taught you here. So you just get a pH strip and just dip it in your cream and count up to like 10 seconds. So just dip it in and wait for 10 seconds or 1 minute. Then you bring it out. So once you bring it out, you just clean it up like this and match it up to the number it tallies with here. And right here, this cream is actually on pH 5.5. You can see it is in between 5 to 6. The color, you have to check the color to match. So this is between 5 to 6, and which make this pH, the pH of your cream, perfect for the skin. If this pH is higher than this and it is very lower than this figure, please, you have to adjust the pH. All right, so just enroll for our skincare class for you to actually know more about this. So don't just go and do DIY. When you see DIY and you make them and you start reacting to the cream, this is one of the major reasons why you react to cream that you made yourself at home. So you need to just know this little tip. This is not expensive, okay? You just need to buy this, buy skill, and make cream like a pro at home that will suit your skin, and everybody will love your skin. In a container, make sure your container is sterilized. Just pour your cream in there. So by the time this cream will stay till the next day, trust me, it's going to be a little bit thicker than this, although depending on the kind of wax you use. For the kind of wax I use this, I combine my e-wax together. If you check the base cream video, I combined 2 types of main wax together, and one of the wax I use is this wax that actually leaves your cream looking very creamy, and that's why my cream is looking very creamy. So I made 50 grams of this cream. So this cream can actually be used on the body and on the face. This will help to glow the skin. I use this cream twice in a day, morning and night. It can be used on the face and body. I'm going to see you in my next one. Please like and share the video. Thank you. Bye bye.